I'm Cheri Castro, your host with The American Dream. The American Dream is all about unique stories woven together all the communities throughout the United States. Today, we're taking you through Lakewood Ranch, through downtown, showing you the energy, showing you the neighbors, showing you one of the homes close by in walking distance to Lake Eline. Come on along, I'll show you. Hi, Amy. Thank you so much for bringing me in today. I'm super excited to see this house.
I can't wait to show you this beautiful home.
I could have dinners every single night with 3 different families. It's so big. Wow. But the details, that pebble, I mean, that is just perfect, divine. Let's check out this master suite. Oh my goodness. I mean, I would buy this home just because of this bathroom. Is that marble? And I think the sun is hitting just perfect today. I mean, there is not a flaw anywhere. Absolutely stunning. I'm so excited to see so much more of this house. This home is extremely special, extremely special.
This wine area is amazing.
The display is perfect. Really, all the details were so perfectly picked. And look. Close. I think we have another 15 minutes before Music on Main starts. I could be there just in time.
You could walk.
I could walk. I think that's what I might have to do. But no, I really appreciate you showing me this special home. Now that we've seen one of my favorite homes in Edgewater, which is just minutes away from downtown, it's time to go check out a local favorite, First Friday, Music on Main at the ranch.
Hey, Kate! One of the things that I like is that everything that she does is all about a faith-based inspiration. From her blogs, to her evening book club, to anything online. Her mission does resonate with people here at the ranch. So now it's time to get out of this penguin suit and let's really enjoy First Friday on Main.
Downtown Lakewood Ranch truly comes alive on evening like this. It's a testament to the vision of creating a central gathering place for this community. You can definitely feel the support from the local businesses as they walk by. You know, one of the things that truly makes Lakewood Ranch special is the unique, genuine warmth and friendliness you feel everywhere you go. It's those little moments, a smile from a neighbor, a shared enjoyment of the music, or a quick chat about a cute dog that really builds the strong sense of a community.
Well, there you have it. We've taken you through Edgewater, one of the best neighborhoods around in Lakewood Ranch. I've shown you one of the best boutiques, and you know a little bit of what it's like to live here at the ranch. Join us next time with The American Dream. I'm your host, Cheri Castro.